Okay.
Dear students, today we will discuss about next oxidation reaction, that is opener oxidation. In the last period we have discussed about the bare vinegar oxidation. Before it, we have also explained about this oxidation word. What is, you know the oxidation? What is oxidation? What is reduction? Then type of reduction as well as a type of oxidation. We have completed one more oxidation reaction. We have completed one more oxidation reaction, that is opener oxidation, that is bare vinegar oxidation. Now today we'll discuss the opener oxidation. You know, opener oxidation is reverse to MPV reduction, or in this opener oxidation the alcohol is converted to ketone. Alcohol or a secondary alcohol is converted to ketone by the action of aluminum tertiary butoxide, is known as a opener oxidation. In this reaction, we will take the example here, secondary alcohol, that is RCHOH. This is a secondary alcohol or isopropyl alcohol plus a RCOR. It is a ketone. See here, this reaction is regarding to this equation, that is this RCHOHR plus RCOR. This is alcohol and ketone in presence of aluminum tertiary butoxide. Aluminum tertiary butoxide, it gives a ketone. It gives ketone as well as RCHOHR in this way. Now see here, this alcohol is converted to ketone by the help of or by the treatment of aluminum tertiary butoxide, or simply the conversion of secondary alcohol to ketone by the reaction or by the treatment of aluminum tertiary butoxide. This reaction is known as a opener oxidation. Opener oxidation is opposite to MPV reduction. In this reaction, the alcohol is converted to ketone by the treatment of aluminum tertiary butoxide in presence of a acetone. This reaction involves the oxidation of secondary alcohol to ketone by aluminum tertiary butoxide. Suppose we take here simple example. When isopropyl alcohol is oxidized with acetone in presence of a aluminum tertiary butoxide, is a good oxidizing agent which is used to convert the alcohol to ketone. This reagent is used, this reaction is reverse to MPV reduction. So let us see an example. See here, you know the example, CH3 here, CHOH here, CH3 plus, suppose we take here, what is this? C6H5, C double bond O here, CH in presence of aluminum tertiary butoxide. See here, CH3 taken thrice, it gives a C6H5 here, CHOH, CH3 plus CH3 COCH3. So in this way, when this acetone Acetone is a ketone. This ketone is reacts with secondary alcohol, that is isopropyl alcohol. This isopropyl alcohol and acetone, acetophenone, in presence of aluminum tertiary butoxide, it gives a phenyl. What is the name of this compound? Phenyl isoethyl alcohol. Phenyl isoethyl alcohol. Phenyl isoethyl alcohol plus the main product is acetone. This reaction is known as a Openaur oxidation. The mechanism of this reaction is reverse to MPV reduction. You know, in reduction, hydrogen molecules is added. In this reaction, hydrogen molecules is removed. Or simply, in oxidation, the oxygen molecules is added or gain of oxygen. Or in this reduction, hydrogen molecules is added. Now, the mechanism of this reaction is as follows. Alcohol and aluminum tertiary butoxide reacts to gives a secondary alcohol of aluminum tertiary butoxide. Aluminum tertiary butoxide derivative or a intermediate product. This metal alkoxide undergoes rapid acid catalyzed exchange, that is internal hybridization or hydration ions, internal hydration ions transfer to gives a corresponding alcohols, to gives the corresponding alcohols and ketones. In mechanism, now let us see here what is the mechanism or how the mechanism of this reaction is carried out by the following ways. Suppose first alcohol is reacts with this see here, this alcohol, simply the secondary alcohol is reacts with a aluminum tertiary butoxide, then it gives a intermediate product. This intermediate product further reacts with a ketone, then it gives a second intermediate product, and finally which on gives a main product RCHOH R plus RCO R plus AlOCO CH3 taken thrice. This is the main product of this reaction. So let us see here this Openaur oxidation. This Openaur oxidation is important oxidation reaction in the organic synthetic reaction. This reaction is used for the synthesis of ketones. What do you call it here? For the synthesis of ketones or the conversion of secondary alcohol to ketones with the help of or with the treatment of aluminum tertiary butoxide is known as a Openaur oxidation. Openaur oxidation is reverse to MPV reduction. You know MPV reduction, Marvin-Pondorf-Verlet reduction. So in this way, the Openaur oxidation is completed. So today we'll stop here, and after this after this, after this, that we will take the unit test or MCQ exam on total organic reaction, or today's or Google Classroom exam is taken on Google Classroom. काही प्रॉब्लेम असला वगैरे तर विचारा. थांबूत मग आपण आता.